Buying of subscribers will also kill your YouTube channel. In fact, it is the most dangerous way of getting subscribers. Buying of subscribers is very, very dangerous. Sub for sub, buying of subscribers, and going to other creators' comment section to beg for subscribers will kill your YouTube channel. It will give you a lot of subscribers, but you will get no view at the end of the day. Now, before you get me wrong, I want you to relax and watch this video. Now, let's start with sub for sub. Sub for sub is simply, telling someone to, subscribe to your YouTube channel. For instance, you have a friend, you take the friend's phone and you subscribe to your own channel, or you tell your friend to subscribe to your channel. The problem with this stuff is that at the end of the day, when you post a video, your subscriber is not going to watch, okay? And the reason they are not going to watch is because they are not interested in your content, okay? And it doesn't mean they hate you. No, they don't hate you, but they don't really like your content. You understand? That is why sub for sub is not good. And once they don't watch your videos, that is where the problem starts. YouTube is a business center and they are profit-making entity or company, and they make money by people staying on their platform and watching videos, okay? So once you post videos and your subscribers are not watching, it tells the YouTube algorithm that these subscribers on your channel do not like the kind of content you are creating. You understand? And so YouTube will stop recommending these videos to them. And that is why you will have many subscribers sub for sub, and yet you will not get any view. So this is the reason. So if you don't want to, get into this trouble, I will urge you to stop sub for sub now. It will kill your channel. And also, one painful thing about the sub for sub is that they can easily unsubscribe. And trust me, if you are a new YouTuber, the most painful thing, one of the painful things to see on your channel is somebody unsubscribing. You understand? The person unsubscribing, of course, the person does not like the content you are creating. Not that they hate you, but they are interested in something else. You understand? That is why you need to stop sub for sub now. Now, let's go to buying of subscribers. Buying of subscribers will also kill your YouTube channel. In fact, it is the most dangerous way of getting subscribers. Buying of subscribers is very, very dangerous. The reason is that some of you or some of us start a YouTube channel, then we buy 1,000 subscribers and we start creating content. Trust me, that 1,000 subscribers, none of them will watch your video. The reason is that none of them likes what you are creating, okay? Because some of these subscribers are from bots, okay, robots. Some of them too are from agencies that claim to provide organic subscribers. You understand? In fact, these things are not true. You understand? It is not true. So you will get 1,000 subscribers. You are very happy. You post a video. Not even a single person will watch. In fact, if they watch, just about 10 or 5 people are going to watch, and it will demoralize you, to drag you down. You will regret. And one bad thing about the buying of subscribers is that it is against YouTube policies. You understand? In fact, YouTube hates buying of subscribers. If you don't get caught, that is fine. But if you get caught, YouTube is going to pull down your channel. You understand? So never buy subscribers. Okay, so with buying of the subscribers too, it's just the same as the sub for sub. Okay, once those subscribers are not watching the videos, it tells the YouTube algorithm that there are 1,000 subscribers on this particular channel, but none of the 1,000 people are watching this guy's video. So we should stop promoting the guy's video to these 1,000 people. And once YouTube starts promoting your videos to these 1,000 people, it means that is the end. You are not going to get any view. And bear in mind that anytime you post a content, YouTube always recommends or displays your video to your subscribers first, and when your subscribers react to your video very well, then YouTube will start recommending it to a wider audience. But if your subscribers do not react positively to your video, it tells YouTube that no, even your subscribers did not, react positively to your video. Then why should we keep on promoting it? Then YouTube is going to halt it and will not promote it again. You understand? I hope you are not offended because this thing hurts. Okay, if you've been doing that, it's either you put a stop to it. If you have never done that before and you are planning of doing it, please put a stop to it. Don't try it. Okay. Now, to the third one is going to other creators' comment section and telling the viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel. In fact, many people are doing this thing wrong. You understand? There is a proper way of doing it. Though it is not the best, but there is a way of doing it, okay, which I'll be sharing with you in a few moments. But I want to show you how bad people are using this method. Now what people do is they go to any popular video of a creator and then go to the comment section and say, hello guys, subscribe to my channel and I also subscribe to yours. They say, hello guys, you subscribe to my channel, God will bless you forever. You understand? These are the stuff a lot of people are doing. I don't have a problem with that, but the problem I have with it is that when these people subscribe, they are not going to watch your videos, just like the other two I talk about. Okay, they are not going to watch your video because they were moved by the statements you wrote. You understand? That is why they subscribed to your channel. They will not watch your video. Okay, and once they don't watch your video, it sends a signal to YouTube that your content is not good, so YouTube should stop promoting your content. And at the end of the day, you are going to get affected. It will hurt your YouTube channel. But there is a proper way of doing this thing, which I have done that before. I want to show you. Okay, but in general, it is not good to do it. You understand? But if you still want to do it, this is the proper way of doing it. Now, this is what you have to do. If you want to leave a comment that will give you subscribers, you have to select a video that is in your niche. For example, if you create content on how to make money online, you need to go to a video that is about making money online, and then you can tell them to subscribe to your channel. The reason is that people watching making money online videos, there is a high possibility that when they subscribe to your channel and you also create content related to making money online, they are going to watch. But if you go to a vlog, okay, a vlog video, and tell them to subscribe to your channel, whilst you create content on making money online, these people are not going to watch your video. There's 99% chance that they will not watch your video because those people under the vlogs, those people watching the vlogs are people who have interest in vlogs. So even if they subscribe to your channel, they are not going to watch. It's as simple as ABC. You understand? Yes. So if you want to do that in comment section, make sure you choose a video that is in your niche. You understand? Me, for instance, I'm into making money online and also YouTube growth niche. You understand? That is my niche. So if I want to do that, what I'll do is to go to the comment section of a creator who talks about YouTube growth and how to make money online, like Think Media. Okay, yes. So if you do something like that under Think Media, the people watching Think Media or are people who are aspiring to be content creators who want to grow their YouTube channel. Okay, so if you leave such a comment like that, please subscribe to my channel, and you subscribe, there's a higher chance that these people will watch your videos because you also create the same content they want. You understand? Yes. So guys, that is the tip for you. If you want to go to people's comment section and you want them to subscribe to your channel, this is what you need to do. Don't just go to any channel, don't just go to any video and tell them to subscribe. To go a long way to kill your channel. You understand? Now, there are many channels on YouTube here that have thousands of subscribers, and this channel hardly gets 50 views. Like, serious, this channel hardly gets 50 views. But my small channel here with just 128 subscribers, at least I get 50 views, I get 100 views, I get 2,000 views. I have videos with 300 views. You understand? At least it is better compared to a channel with 200,000 views and getting less than 50 views. You understand? I don't want you to be in this situation. So this is the advice I have for you. I hope you enjoy the content. Feel free to like this video for me and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, if you think you don't get what I'm trying to talk about, feel free to roast me in the comment section and I'll answer you. Goodbye.